Assalamu alaikum. In this video I am going to show you how to model simple mold for this type of object. First of all, you have to find a plane which is in the mid of the object. If there is no such plane, create new one. So let's start by starting new assembly. Now import that object in the assembly. Click on the arrow below the insert component button and select new part. Now select that plane which was in the middle of the component. So here is the top plane which is in the middle. Now press Ctrl plus 8 for normal to and draw a rectangle like this. After that, select extruded boss base command from features. Now extrude this sketch according to the object. Once the extrusion is done, search for cavity from search bar. Now select the design component. You can select the object manually by clicking on it, or you can also select from here. Now click on OK button. Now first part of mold is ready. You can hide your object to verify it. Click on new part from insert component for another part of mold. Select this face as mid plane, or you can also select the top plane of this component. Now select this face and click on convert entities. Now again click on extruded boss base from features. Extrude it according to the component. Now once again use cavity command. Select design component and press OK. Now click on configuration manager and then right click on default and select new exploded view. Select and move components one by one. Here you can see the mold. If you want to add a hole in the mold for pouring metal, click on any one of the mold part and open it in new window. Sketch on top plane as it is in the middle of the part. Make normal to and draw a sketch like this. Now click on revolved cut command from features. Your mold is ready. Please subscribe to this channel if you find this video helpful. Thanks for sparing time.